Now, big update from the Supreme Court as the central government has moved to the top court seeking adequate arrangements for CISF personnel who've been deployed at the RG Kar Hospital for security. Remember, the top court had said that CISF personnel will now secure the RG Kar Hospital after vandalism that had taken place on August 14. The centre has filed a contempt case now against West Bengal government for not complying with the order of the Supreme Court. Why is that? According to the central government, no provision has been made, no arrangements have been made for the female CISF personnel who've been deployed at the hospital. There are allegedly issues of accommodation that they're facing. The centres allege that the lady contingent is not getting proper accommodation or any place for keeping the security gadgets and transportation. So this is the big charge levelled by the centre directly in the Supreme Court. Kanu Sarda is joining us with more details on this. Kanu, take us through what really the centre has alleged. They've actually accused the West Bengal government of contempt, of not following the Supreme Court's order.
Yes, Akshita, the centre has, approached the Supreme Court filing a contempt application before the top court, saying that the CISF personnel who were asked by the top court to protect the RG Kar Hospital was not given proper accommodation, proper place to keep their security gadgets and also for the transportation. The application also states that the CISF personnel is living at a place which is far away from the RG Kar Hospital, and it takes 1 hour to reach the CISF staff to the RG Kar Hospital. They have alleged that, from the 92 CISF personnel which are deployed there, 54 are women personnel, and they are facing huge issues as far as the accommodation and the basic facilities needed for the personnel to do the security jobs on daily basis. So what they have said that they have approached, the centre has alleged that CISF on its own has approached the local police over there and has written to the Home Minister of the state as well. But no action has been taken so far, and that is why the centre has, appealed to the Supreme Court to take note of the matter, because since the matter is suo motu pending before the top court, the centre has, asked the Supreme Court to intervene so that those CISF personnel who have been, shifted from one base to another base to protect the RG Kar Hospital will find some facilities. Also, the centre in its application has highlighted that they have also requested for the enhancement of the CCTV infrastructure, which is also not taken care of by the West Bengal government. The centre is completely blaming West Bengal government for not, listening to the basic demands of the CISF and saying that this is not a good conduct and it should not happen from a state where this law and order is such a messy situation.
All right, Kanu, thanks very much for getting us those details. We'll see what really plays out in the top court, whether the West Bengal government will be able to put forth their counter also to the central government's charge that no proper accommodation has been given to women CISF personnel who are deployed at the RG Kar Hospital.